Assalamu alaikum and a very good day to our esteemed panelists, ladies and gentlemen. Allow me to begin with a thought provoking question. Does the food you consume truly contain the nutrients you expect? I invite you to hold on to that thought as you delve into this presentation and explore its deeper connection to the foundation of our food system, the soil. Today, I'd like to present to you our innovation, Dolomite Powder Spreader Robot using Arduino Mega 2560 with 24-volt DC motor via PS2 controller. Introducing you to our team, Puan Siti Zaleha Binti Abdul Aziz, our supervisor, our creative inventor, Haziq, and me, myself, Aisyah. Throughout this presentation, you will see the environmental and health concerns associated with soil acidity and dolomite use, such as worker exposure to harmful dust, creating respiratory risks. We will also delve into the economic potential of tackling this issue effectively. To see the need for this dolomite spreader robot, we must understand the fundamentals. First, as shown in the graph on the left, plant nutrients are most accessible to crops with specific pH ranges. For example, essential micronutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium become less available as soil becomes too acidic. Here, I like to highlight how dolomite neutralizes soil acidity, adds essential nutrients, enhances soil structure, improves nutrient availability, and reduces aluminum toxicity, making it a crucial tool for sustainable agriculture. As you can see, there are three methods for applying dolomite powder. The first is the traditional method, which exposes workers to risks such as heat waves and dust inhalation. The second is the hand crank spreader, which requires manual effort to operate. Third and lastly is the Fleming agriculture seed racks method that relies entirely on the use of a tractor for functionality. To conclude, the dolomite spreader robot addresses key challenges by ensuring even distribution, reducing the labor-intensive nature of the process, and tackling environmental concerns associated with soil pH levels. Our solution to the issue is the dolomite powder spreader robot. We would like to present to you what the robot can do. Here we would like to show you how the system works via PS2 controller. We have set commands from the Arduino to the remote, instructions of, as an example, move forward, move backward, steer left, steer right, and disperse. We can navigate the robot using this PS2 controller. As you can see, the competitors for my innovations are mostly overseas. All equipments require shipment from overseas. The product on your left is a product that costs 775 pounds, and on the right is around 172 US dollars. So from the cost to the shipment cost is actually quite high. We are equipped to handle the Malaysian market using our automated robot spreader. We have strategically priced the Dolomite spreader robot at 1,250 ringgit, ensuring a balance between affordability and the value it offers to farmers. This pricing not only makes the technology accessible, but also supports sustainable farming practices by addressing key challenges. We have successfully completed TRL 5 and now advancing to TRL 6, building on the findings and results obtained in the previous stage. In TRL 6, we plan to enhance our robot by integrating pH level and moisture testing features. These additions will optimize the robot's functionality, enabling it to assess soil conditions in real time and further improve the precision and efficiency of dolomite application. In regards to SDG, our innovation covers three. Number 8 is decent work and economic growth. With this, decent work for the farmers and sustainable for their agriculture business. Secondly is responsible consumption and production. By properly examining the soil pH levels, we can conclude that better crops and growth yields from it. And lastly is SDG 2, zero hunger, because personally, when I look at the key objectives, it covers the base of food, not wastage. And the proper nutrients are in the food that we eat. So zero hunger and health, focusing on health as well. Thank you for your time and thank you for understanding and listening to this presentation. I do hope you keep in mind that with the heat wave and the physical labor or the interest of youth, the lack of interest of youth in agriculture, um, this innovation would help with farmers for better crop, better economic, and just a sustainable way for them to care for their farm. Um, Malaysia still does not have an automated robot spreader. We would still have to ship from overseas. So I hope you would consider our innovation as one of the innovative product out there. Thank you very much.